Hello everyone, I am Gite ma'am. Welcome guys in our online session for maths. In previous session, we had seen how to show rational numbers on number line if given rational number has numerator greater than denominator. For example, 3 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 etc. मतलब इस एग्जाम्पल में रैशनल नंबर के डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर से छोटे थे, तो वैसे हमने नंबर्स लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट किए. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू शो रैशनल नंबर इफ न्यूमरेटर लेस देन डिनोमिनेटर. मीन्स इन गिवन रैशनल नंबर डिनोमिनेटर greater than numerator. Let's start our session. In standard 8, our subject maths, our topic is rational and irrational numbers, and our subtopic is rational number on number line. Rational number on number line. Then let's start. The rational number with denominator greater than numerator. We are taking some example. Which examples? In example, denominator is greater than numerator. हम ऐसे एग्जाम्पल लेने वाले रैशनल नंबर में जिसका डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर से बड़ा होगा. न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर टेकिंग 3/4 and second minus 3/4. Our examples 3/4 and second rational number is minus 3/4 means 3/4. We have to show 3/4 and minus 3/4 on number line. Now observe the given examples. Observe the given example. In this example, numerator is numerator and this is denominator. 3/4. Here 4 is greater than 3. Here is also 4 is greater than minus 3. 3 upon 4 is corresponding with minus 3 upon 4. Minus 3 upon 4. Inverse you can say minus 3 upon 4 corresponding with number 3 upon 4. In both rational number, our denominator is greater than numerator. मतलब 4 3 से बड़ा है. Don't compare as a minus 3 in numerator. For this, you take 3 as a, with comparison, you take 3 as a positive. So 4 is greater than 3. 4 is greater than 3. So write down here numerator is greater than D. Means denominator is greater than numerator. So write down 4 greater than 3. So number should be between 0 and 1. Number should be between on number line between 0 and 1. मतलब जो भी नंबर्स आने वाले हैं कि जिनका डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर से बड़ा होगा, वो सभी नंबर्स नंबर लाइन पे 0 एंड 1 के बीच आने वाला है. 0 एंड 1 के मिडल में आने वाला है. डिपेंड्स, अभी उसका डिनोमिनेटर क्या है, 4 3 6 एक्सेट्रा. Here we take example 3/4 and minus 3/4. So our denominator is 4. Our denominator is 4. So our number should be between 0 and 1. Should be between 0 and 1. Remember this. If denominator is greater than numerator, your number of given rational number should be between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. So draw number line like this. So draw number line like this. First Draw a number line. Here I draw a number line. Then show some points. Here first means 0, then second 1. Here is -1. I represent only 1 and -1. Only 1 and -1. Because our number should be between 0 to 1 and 0 to -1. 0 to 1 and 0 to -1. So I draw number line in this way. Okay. In example, our numbers are 3/4 and -3/4. बोथ नंबर्स हमें इस नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट करना है. हमें नंबर लाइन्स पे रिप्रेजेंट करना है. ओके. हियर इन दिस नंबर डिनोमिनेटर टेल अस नंबर ऑफ इक्वल पार्ट्स दिस सेगमेंट डिवाइड इनटू 4 पार्ट्स. Divide into 4 parts. So divide numbers line in 4 part. In 4 part. Here denominator tell us number of equal part. This segment divide into 4 part. Means इस number line को हमें 0 to 1 between 0 to 1 and 0 to -1. 0 to 1 and 0 to -1. This line divided into 4 parts. Why 4 parts? Because our denominator is 4. Our denominator is 4. So first divide line between 0 to 1 and 0 to -1 in 4 parts. So this is our first part, second, third and this is 4. First, second, third and fourth. We divide 0 to 1 in 4 parts. Then on left side of 0, this is right side of 0 on number line, this is left side of 0 on number line. So I divide this first, second, third and this is first part, second, third. Means this is our first, second, third and fourth part. And this is our fourth part. So first I divide on both sides in equal 4 parts. This number line divide between 0 to 1 and 0 to -1 in equal 4 part. In equal 4 part. Number is first represent 3/4. 3/4 means 3/4. So I take number here 3/4. Numerator is 3. So move 3 from 0. Move from 0 and plot number 3/4. Moves 3 from 0 means हमने फर्स्ट नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ कर लिया है. उसके डिनोमिनेटर 4 था, इसलिए हमने क्या किए 0 to 1 के बीच में 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स को डिवाइड कर लिया. जैसे फर्स्ट पार्ट, सेकंड पार्ट, थर्ड पार्ट एंड फोर्थ पार्ट. अभी डिनोमिनेटर शोज, जो डिनोमिनेटर है, डिनोमिनेटर शोज to divide how many equal parts on number line. Denominator shows how many equal parts divide in number line. So we divide 4 in equal parts because our denominator is 4. Then numerator, see numerator. Numerator is 3. Numerator is 3. So numerator is 3. So move 3 from 0 and plot number 3/4. अभी इक्वल पार्ट्स 4 होने के बाद अभी 3/4 कहाँ पे प्लॉट करना है, ये हमें कन्फ्यूज़न होगा. यहाँ पे प्लॉट करना है, यहाँ पे प्लॉट करना है या यहाँ पे प्लॉट करना है. ओके गाइस. देन सी न्यूमरेटर. सी न्यूमरेटर. योर कन्फ्यूज़न यहाँ पे जो होगा वो न्यूमरेटर के बाद देखने के बाद आपका कन्फ्यूज़न दूर हो जाएगा. तो न्यूमरेटर 3 है, तो हमें 0 से आगे 3 पार्ट पे हमें 3/4 को प्लॉट करना है. दिस इज फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड. आवर नंबर शुड बी हियर 3/4. सो आई प्लॉट हियर नंबर 3/4. दिस इज 3/4. Second number is minus 3 upon 4, which is corresponding number of 3 upon 4. Corresponding number of 3 upon 4. So move 3 फ्रॉम 0, मतलब 0 से हमें लेफ्ट साइड में, क्योंकि -3/4 इज अ नेगेटिव इंटीजर, सो मूव फ्रॉम 0 अप टू 3. सो फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड, our second integer rational numbers -3/4, you can plot here. This is our -3/4, -3/4. So here plus 3/4 and second rational number -3/4 is here. You can plot here up to 0, 1/4, then 2/4, and this is -3/4, and this is 4/4. 4/4 means -1. Here is also same, 1/4, 2/4. You can write here. हमें सिर्फ -3/4 एंड 3/4 रिप्रेजेंट करना था, इसलिए मैंने 2 ही नंबर आपको यहाँ पे दिखाए. अगर आपको 1/4 रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो यू कैन रिप्रेजेंट हियर 1/4. 2/4 रिप्रेजेंट करना है, यू कैन रिप्रेजेंट हियर 2/4. दिस इज 3/4. एंड नेक्स्ट नंबर 4/4 means after dividing you get 1, so here 1. In this way, after 1, our number which is numerator greater than denominator. So remember, if in given rational number, if numerator is less than denominator, then number should be between 0 to 1. Number should be between 0 to 1. In this way, we plot two rational number 3/4 and -3/4 on number line, given number line, on given number line. In this way, you can show rational number on number line. If your number will be 6/8 or -5/7, then you can represent this type rational number on number line. If your number is -5/7, then first observe the number, given rational number. If here denominator is greater than numerator, denominator is 7, so first on number line between 0 to 1, if 0 to 1 divides equal part in 7, because denominator is 7. If denominator is 6, then divide 0 to 1 line segment in equal parts to 6. If denominator is 5, then divide into 5 parts. If denominator is 10, then divide into 10 parts. When numerator is less than denominator. In this way, you can show rational number on number line. Today's homework: to show given rational number on different number line. I use here different word. मैंने यहाँ पे different word use किया है क्योंकि मेरे 2 rational numbers different है. First rational number 5/8 and -7/8. In this case, numerator is less than denominator. पहले एग्जाम्पल में न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से छोटा है, तो ये नंबर लाइन 0 to 1 पे के बीच में नंबर्स आने वाला है. ओके, 0 to 1 के बीच में आने वाला है. सो ड्रा नंबर लाइन एंड रिप्रेजेंट 0 to 1 between this number 5/8 and -1/8. First, divide 0 to 1 segment or line in 8 equal parts. Then count from move to 0, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Represent 5/8. In this way, second number you can represent after move from 0 to 7 and -7/8 on left side of the 0. In second example, 7/5, 7/5 and -2/5. Here numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. So your number should be after 1 or after 2. In this case 7 upon 5. So first you convert this in decimal or in mixed fraction number, and denominator is 5, then divide equal part 5. If 7 upon 5 convert in mixed fraction, 5 ones are 5 means 1, 2 upon 5. So and this number should be between 2 to 3. This is your today's homework.